Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please like, comment, subscribe. Last time we checked, 92% of the people that are watching have not subscribed, so I would appreciate if you take the time to subscribe. This video, we did another mobile blasted, another log cabin in West Burke, Vermont. Great family, great guy. It was him and his wife. He's bought the log cabin, now he's doing repairs on it and things, and this was just one of those steps. The guys did a great job. We had a little issue with some of the coating that was on it to where we went through a lot more media than we expected. It did not come off as easy as we thought it was gonna. The previous owner, I don't know if it was silicone or just the caulking, and spread it on the logs. Filled in the log cracks and then spread it like a Bondo on it. So we're fighting that a lot. But besides that, it was a pretty good day. We do have our mobile sandblasting channel. That's Sandblasting Inc. Any of these sandblasting videos that we do, they will be on that live instantly. When we download them on here as a premiere, we download them over there as being able to watch live. So this video that you're probably seeing will probably come out back in the middle of July. It's probably been on the other Sandblasting channel since June. Besides that, we've had a lot going on with powder coating, a lot of content coming out. We are putting content out every Wednesday. That's our goal. Sometimes we add things like the unboxing of our new Electron, setup of a new Electron. We're putting those out. We're not keeping those as premieres because they're so short. So we're putting them out. Powder coating is keeping us busy. This is a company that's on Etsy. They sell axe throwers, axe race car drivers. You can see a whole bunch. You probably can't tell what the difference is, but skiers and stuff, they're over on Etsy. If you make a comment, if you're interested, let me know and I can put their information down in the descriptions too. Well, I'm thinking let's just get these done, and by the time they're done, John should be here, and then we'll just have him show us the thing. So let's get these 3 windows to start with. I think we put them on the floor. You can check.